Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 2. In maths, today our topic is subtraction, converting. Today we will leave page number 44 and 45. After watching this lesson, students will be able to do subtraction with converting. So students, let's start our today's lesson. Here I am going to do page number 44, question number 4. Complete these sums, converting where necessary. Now I am going to solve part A of question 4. Let's subtract. Can we take away 9 ones from 8 ones? No, we cannot take away 9 from 8. We need more ones. Take 110 from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now we have 18 ones and 3 tens left. Now we can complete the sum. Now we can take away 9 from 18. So when we subtract 9 from 18, the number comes 9. Now subtract tens. When we subtract 1 from 3, the number comes 2. Now I am going to do part B of question 4. Can we take away 7 ones from 3 ones? No, we need more ones. So we have to take 110 from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now we have 13 ones and 7 tens are left. Now we can take away 7 from 13. So when you subtract 7 from 13, the number comes 6. Now subtract tens. So when we subtract 2 from 7, the number comes 5. Now solve part C of question 4. Here we cannot take away 2 from 1. We need more ones. So we have to take 110 from the tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now we have 11 ones and 3 tens are left. Now we can take away 2 from 11. So when we subtract 2 from 11, the number comes 9. Now subtract tens. So when we subtract 2 from 3, the number comes 1. Now here is another question. Can we take away 6 from 7? Yes, we can subtract 6 from 7. So when we subtract 6 from 7, the number comes 1. And when we subtract 3 from 5, the number comes 2. Now I am going to do question number 5 of page number 44. Use subtraction to answer these. The first question is, Gibran had 32 toys. He gave away 17 to an orphanage. How many are left? Let's subtract to find how many toys are left. Start with ones. Can we subtract 7 from 2? No, we need more ones to subtract 7 from 2. So here we have to take 110 from tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now we can subtract 7 from 12. So when we subtract 7 from 12, the number comes 5. Now subtract tens. When we subtract 1 from 2, the number comes 1. So that means 15 toys are left. Now the next question is, there are 64 cans of cola. The children drink 48 cans. How many are left? Let's subtract to find how many cans are left. Start with ones. We cannot take away 8 from 4. So here we need more ones. So we have to take 1 10 from tens column and change it into 10 ones. Now we have 14 ones and 5 tens are left. Now we can subtract 8 from 14. So when we subtract 8 from 14, the number comes 6. Now subtract tens. When we subtract 4 from 5, the number comes 1. That means 16 cans are left. Now I am going to do page number 45. Question number 1. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Now I am going to do page number 45. Question number 1. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers, no conversion. These sums are easy, but remember, subtract ones first, tens next, hundreds last. One has been done for you. Let's see. Start with ones. When we subtract 5 from 9, the number comes 4. Now subtract tens. When 4 subtracts from 6, the number comes 2. Now subtract hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 9. So here we write 9. Now there are 9 hundreds, 2 tens, 4 ones, which makes 924. Now I am going to solve part B of question number 1. Start with ones. When 4 subtracts from 6, the number comes 2. Now subtract tens. When 3 subtracts from 7, the number comes 4. Now coming to hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 7. So here we write 7. Let's do another question. When we subtract 1 from 4, the number comes 3. Now subtract tens. When we subtract 7 from 8, the number comes 1. Now subtract hundreds. There is nothing to subtract from 5. So here we write 5. Now here is part D of question number 1. When 4 subtracts from 5, the number comes 1. When 7 subtracts from 9, the number comes 2. And there is nothing to subtract from 3. So here we write 3. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood. Now your homework is to attempt page number 44 and 45 on your countdown book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.